In this lecture, we are going to start designing the interface for our Paint application. It's going to be a two-part lecture series on the designing of the interface. Open up Visual Studio. Once you've got Visual Studio open, we are going to create a new project. There are two ways you can do that. You can click on the New Project option here, the link, or you can go to File, New Project, and click on that. Make sure you've got Visual C# selected, and you've got the Windows Form application selected. Where it's got name, you need to give the application a name. I'm going to call it My Paint. Make sure there are no spaces if you are using a two-word or more than two words to name your application. There should be no spaces. Click OK. Visual Studio should now build the form. So this is our main form for the application. So while I've got the form open, I'm just going to change the name from the property. It's currently showing as form 1. So in the text property, I just change that to My Paint. So this title should now change. So we've changed the title. The next thing I want to do is attach a menu strip. So click on the toolbar, the toolbox here, and within the toolbox you've got the menu and toolbars option. Expand that and just double click on the menu strip, and that should put a menu strip there. So what we're going to do, let's add a file there. So we'll use this to save our paint or whatever work we do. So I'm going to also create some sub menu here, and here I will do save as, and here you could do save image as. So it gives you the two options. All right, so the next thing I want to do is attach another component within the menu and toolbar strip. This component called tool strip. So I'm just going to drag it on, and underneath, make sure you drag it underneath the menu strip. Now if I click on this tool, it has some menu items here, different tools. I'm going to create a few buttons here that we'll use as our pen. So we're going to be using the keyboard, the mouse as a tool, as a pen tool, and I'm going to use the button to represent different colors. So I'm going to create 5 buttons here. That'll be the first one, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. At the moment, by default, they are all showing as images. So I just need to change that, change the display style on that. The display style on button 1 is showing image. I just click on that and change that to text. So I just need to change the name that shows up in the text here. The name is showing this tool strip, so I'm just going to change that. And I'll type red. So this will be, each time we use our mouse to draw, this will represent a red color. So I want to change the actual color to red. To do that, you come here and there's an option called for color. Click on that, click on web, and I'm going to look for a red color that will reflect the pen. There should be a red somewhere here. Let's have a look. There you go, that's red. So now that's now showing up as red. So I'll do the same with the other buttons. Change that to text first, and come here and change this color to blue, and then come up here and change the font color. I'll look for a bluish one and come down. Let's see, anything close to blue will be fine. That'll work. Okay, so that's another one, and then I'll do the same with the others. So I have changed the properties for the other buttons. So we're going to wrap up this lecture now, and in the next lecture we will carry on with the designing of the interface for our application. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.